Hey guys, Nicole here. Magbibigay ako ng update sa Citadela and ibibideo ko yung from the highway going here. So, samahan niyo ako today guys. Citadela Townhomes by Borland Developer. The newest development pre-selling located in Barangay Pulong, Buhangin, Santa Maria, Bulacan. Ito po ay wala pang model unit, ongoing land development through Pag-ibig Financing. Ganito yung itsura ng magiging bahay. Ayan po siya. So, trusted quality, convenience, and accessibility, reasonable price. Malapit po sa lahat ng kailangan nyo. Pag-ibig Financing lamang. At meron kang car garage, 2 to 3 bedrooms, 1 to 2 bathrooms.